Just be careful, all right? Really. You hang with dogs, what happens? No. We get fleet.
Right from the opening line, the judge is already hinting at the theme of this hearing. Your circle can get you in trouble even if you didn't do anything yourself. Quick question for you. Do you think someone should face legal heat just for being around the wrong people?
Well, you can get bit too, right?
The one Barnes, he was in jail for Fort County.
Oh, we reinstated, okay.
He's here today because you wanted to bond conditions.
Good morning, Mr. Barnes.
Sir Davis,
You made it out.
yes, I did.
Just, we're not asking for much, man. Just be careful, behave, don't do anything you shouldn't do, you know? Is those cases are still open in Fort Bend or what?
The case is still open in Fort Bend. It's still pending. Your next court date is down there.
This on March, not all the cases are open.
One of them's still open. All two's representing him. I talked to
This is a classic courtroom debate. When does a passenger become searchable? The judge is basically pointing out that presence isn't the same as probable cause, but officer safety often tips the scale. What do you think? Was the pat-down justified here, or was the passenger just unlucky?
Paul yesterday, and it's set for sometime in March. I can't recall the exact
It's okay.
date.
Have we done PC on this yet or no?
We haven't done anything because he was in custody.
Right, okay, so we're gonna do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. I just want to see if there's enough to go forward on your case. I don't know what happened. Okay, Alex, please.
Yes, Judge. On September 4th, 2024, the officer observed a hand-to-hand transaction between the driver of a parked vehicle and another individual. The defendant was a passenger in the vehicle, and the officer approached and smelled a strong odor of marijuana. The officer asked the defendant to step out of the vehicle and saw in plain view a scale in the driver's side door, and the officer detained the defendant and the driver. The officer found a bag of marijuana in the defendant's waistband pursuant to a pat-down, and the weight of the marijuana was 1.27 ounces.
And once again, the judge circles back to the same message. Your environment shapes your outcome. It's low-key a life lesson disguised as a legal ruling. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this was a fair call, or was the judge giving him a warning he didn't deserve?
I mean, he saw him do a hand-to-hand transaction or someone else?
The driver of the vehicle was a hand-to-hand transaction, and when he approached the vehicle, he asked the defendant and the driver who did the hand-to-hand transaction to exit. And furthermore, the officer smelled an odor of marijuana.
I know, but why would he search him?
What?
I get it on the driver because he sees the hand-to-hand contact with them, but he's just sitting there.
Your Honor, the only thing would be officer safety, just the pat down. That
Now, all right, Mr. Barnes, I'm going to find no probable cause. Just be careful, all right? Really. You hang with dogs, what happens? No. We get fleet. Well, you can get bit too, right? Please,
He's a bad dog.
just don't hang out with the wrong people, all right?
Yes, sir.
Come on.